We're out here today at Texas School for the Deaf. We have a specific program that's called EVs for Schools. We bring out some electric vehicles for them to kick the tires and see one in person. And we also have a presentation.
There's 3 ways to charge a car.
I think this event really benefits the students in many different ways. They can see and feel it, and that's really the best way for them to learn.
It's wonderful for kids to learn why electric cars are important.
Workshops like this, you see that aha moment, and it's wonderful to see that.
It's important battle because it saves money and it saves energy.
At Austin Energy, we want every student to see themselves in Austin's clean energy future. And it's programs like this, EVs for Schools, that really help spark that curiosity. It gives the students the confidence to be a part of this sustainable future.